So, my name is Jake, and I created JSProjectsAZ. I do all kinds of projects. I build all kinds of junk. I figured other people do YouTube. I'm gonna do YouTube. I build several things like this is one of my projects I'm most proud of. My 52 Dodge Coronet, 12 valve Cummins, daily driver. Because when I build things, I drive, not trailer. Because one, I don't have a trailer. And two, why not drive it? There's a couple more videos I'm going to put out on this. But I also build stuff like, I built this gate. It's really quiet. That's my alarm. I know my kids are home. Mailbox holder. I built that stand up there. You know, I had to cool off my garage because I'm amazing and it's hot. I built this trailer. And this from a pallet. Well, someone bought an expensive door, gave me the scrap steel, and I built a bike shade structure. This entire shop I put together. It's 2 shipping crates, a 40-foot high boy, and a 10-foot whacked off piece. But I built the whole awning for it all by myself because my kids were too little. I built lots of tools around here. The vise, bought, but the stand, not. The table, butcher, or cooktop, bunch of scrap steel. I build what I need to get by. Fire pit, 50-gallon drum, entertainment center, base, shade structure. In case you're curious, yeah, this is all a bunch of scrap steel I put together because I live in the valley of the sun. And I don't like it because it burns me to death. It also doubled as a wonderful paint booth for the coronet. So, I do lots of little projects. I do some big projects. I hope that as the JSProjectsAZ keeps going, you guys get to enjoy some more of my projects. And if you like them, the more you can follow me, subscribe to me, whatever, the more I get to try to post more junk fast as I can, keep you interested. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Go have fun. You know, nothing says you're cool. Oh, I broke it. Okay, that part gets cut. So, nothing says you're cool like driving a mail truck to school.